So today we are going to talk about a Boat product, and that's right, we are talking about the smartwatch launched by Boat on 9th March 2021. अगर हम इसके बॉक्स की बात करें तो बोट ने मेंशन करा है that the watch is having 1.3-inch display along with call and text notification, music and camera control, sedentary and hydration alerts, weather forecast, different sport modes, and one of the essential things, especially in current pandemic year, which is blood oxygen and heart rate sensor. And the watch is also compatible with iOS 9.0 and above and Android 5.0 and above. And talking about it, has also one feature of Find My Phone. So let's move towards the watch. Boat ने इस watch का नाम Flash दिया, and that's right, it's a Boat Flash smartwatch. And Boat is also among one of the top 5 brands in the global wearable markets. Now this watch comes with a magnetic charger with a magnetic clip, and it's very easy to charge the watch. You just have to attach a clip behind the watch and just connect to any USB port. Now Boat guarantees power backup of somewhere around 7 days. Very easily one can access to the notifications, especially the text notification, WhatsApp messages, Facebook messages from the watch itself. And then watch has also certain features of distance monitoring, and then your sleep monitoring, weather forecast, as well as the music control as mentioned in the box. From this music control you can actually decrease the volume or increase the volume of your device, and as well as you can change the track from there itself. Now काफ़ी लोग परेशान है कि बोट की वॉच के पीछे जो सेंसर्स हैं, there are scratches on it, but it's actually a coating in order to prevent scratches. As you can see, you can easily remove the coating, and the sensors are freshly new. According to Boat, this watch is IP68 certified. That means this watch is resistant to submersion up to 1.5 meter depth of water, and for up to 30 minutes. एक बार टेस्ट करना तो बनता है. Oh no! The watch is working absolutely fine. Now overall look of the watch is pretty good. मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी लगी watch, क्योंकि the watch का strap जो है that is made up of silicone, which is very much comfortable over my hand. It's not hard and it's pretty much adjustable. And then talking about the dial of the watch, it is made up of metal, not any kind of cheap plastic, which give it a kind of a premium look as well. And over if you have a broader wrist, it looks pretty good on your hand. Let's check his heart rate and blood oxygen sensors as well. The sensor readings are pretty much acceptable, but जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है कि these watches should not be used if you actually have a medical condition. These are good for knowledge that this is our heart rate or blood oxygen level, but I think we should not be solely dependent on the watch itself. Now you can also see different sports modes on the watch, and one of the good thing which I like about this watch is कि अगर मान लीजिए आपका फ़ोन कहीं पे है ना, आप फ़ोन को नहीं ढूंढ पा रहे, then it has a feature of something known as Find My Phone. That works pretty good. अगर आप सिर्फ स्टाइल की बात करें तो बोट अपनी वॉच के डिफरेंट फेसेस देता है. आप वॉच में खुद 4 से 5 फेसेस ढूंढ सकते हैं, एंड अगर आपको फेसेस वो नहीं पसंद, then you can always go to the app by the name of Boat Wearables, which is also available on Play Store and App Store. And it's a pretty easy app. You can simply open the cloud faces where you can have multiple faces for the watches. And one of the best thing which I felt is here, you can also customize your own face of the watch. So that's pretty good, which the Boat has done for this particular watch. The watch wake up sensor seems to work pretty good. It hardly takes few seconds for the watch to respond. बाकी आप लोग बताइए कमेंट सेक्शन में कि आप लोग को वॉच कैसी लगी, आप लोग को ये वीडियो कैसी लगी. प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, ताकि मैं आप लोग की और ऐसी वीडियो बनाता रहूँ. एंड आई होप यू गाइस एंजॉयड द वीडियो.